Hey guys, so I'm making a video and yeah. So sorry I didn't do the whole make a video at least once a week thing. I just got really busy and yeah, I have like a ton of projects to do for school. I have like a project in almost every class and I've only finished one of those projects that I need to finish. That I have basically a project in every class except for my fifth hour. And so, yeah. I kind of need to start working on some of the projects because I haven't started on all of them yet. So, yeah. But, so sorry I didn't do the whole one video a week thing or whatever. Just got really busy with school because I only have a couple weeks left of school. And so I want to like finish out my school year really strong. Um, yeah, and I'm really tired. I haven't gotten a lot of sleep the last couple weekends. So, yeah. But I'm going to actually try to make at least one video a week now because my school year ends in 3 weeks. So then I'll have summer. Well, then I'm going to go on a trip for like 6 days. And then, so I'm going to go on a trip for 6 days or something like that. Yeah, like 6 days. And then I might go do something for like 6 days, something else. I might go camping for 6 days. Um, so, yeah. And I get my braces off, hopefully this summer. They told me in July 18th is when they think I'm going to get them off. Or they're hoping that's when I get them off. So, yeah. Yeah, basically I'm getting my braces off hopefully July 18th. And, yeah. So there's really nothing going on with me. I'm really tired. I have a lot of projects to do. I'm about to make some food and eat, and then and then go to bed. Yeah. I'm going to Cedar Point next week, so that should be fun. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. 'Cause, yeah, if you're an 8th grader, you can go on the Cedar Point trip, and yeah, I'm going. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah. I don't know, I'm really tired. So yeah, just wanted to make an update about like yeah, I have like a ton of projects to do and half of them I haven't even started on. Yeah, I have one in science that I have to start today too. Today or today tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna start my science one day. I finished one project so far. So yeah, and we have to release the school lab. That's great. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go now because I'm really tired and I want to make food in the bed. So, yeah, I'll make a video maybe tomorrow. I don't know, I'm not promising anything. Me. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go now.